If you ever are in a gathering and the talk is just worthless and senseless, just make sure to say this and memorize this dua. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He tells us, لا خير في كثير من نجواكم. Most of your conversations which you have together, there is not much good in it, except what is charitable and dhikr, words of Allah. I will teach you, brothers and sisters, ways that when you come together, let's say you come with your friends and sit down on a table, or you meet together anywhere, it's not haram. But in our conversations, there are many things that are worthless and don't benefit us in anything. The Prophet ﷺ taught us that any group that we sit in, there is no good in it if Allah's name, meaning you don't remember Allah or His teachings in any way whatsoever. Nobody mentions it, nobody even mentions anything about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, about the Quran, about something of the hereafter, about something Prophet ﷺ said, about something which Islam has taught us, or practice something to remind each other of something good. They don't say any of that. He said that kind of gathering is cursed. The Prophet ﷺ taught us a dhikr word every time we sit in a gathering. What should we say? So brothers and sisters, if you ever are in a gathering and the talk is just worthless and senseless, just make sure to say this and memorize this dua. I'm going to say it, but you probably won't memorize it with me saying it. Grab a book called Fortress of the Muslim and you'll see it. The dua of leaving a gathering. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Which means, my Lord, you are free of any imperfection. My Lord, our Allah, and by your praise I praise you. In your praise I bear witness there is no God worthy of worship but you. I seek your forgiveness and I return to you. After every gathering, Rasulullah ﷺ said, if you say this dua meaningfully, it wipes away the minor sins which you spoke about and did during that gathering. Why is the Prophet ﷺ teaching us that? Because he is so careful and fearful of our time being lost and wasted.